Hi guys, Sean from ProDrones Asia. Welcome back to the channel. So today we'll actually be having a short video to cover something that is usually not in our channel. As you can see on your left hand side and right hand side, these are some of the products that we have in our line of anti-drone solutions. And as for today, I would like to actually introduce a very affordable personal drone detection product that we carry, the Hobit D3 Pro. The Hobit D3 Pro is designed as an on-person drone detection tool, providing early warning of nearby drone activity, especially from FPV drones. The Hobit D3 Pro, as you can see here, has a form factor similar to a handheld walkie-talkie. It features a full color display that provides user with important drone detection information, and in certain scenarios, it can also display the video feed being transmitted by an analog FPV drone. One of the key features of the D3 Pro is its ability to detect analog radio and video transmission from FPV or first-person drones. This means that user may be able to see what's on the drone camera and allowing them to react quickly and take appropriate countermeasures. Beyond being an analog drone detection tool, the device also incorporates a wideband frequency spectrum analyzer covering approximately from 100 MHz to 8 GHz. Leveraging SDR or software-defined radio technology, the D3 Pro can also detect certain digital drone signals. While this is considered a secondary capability, it adds extra versatility to the product itself. In our own testing, we've achieved detection range of around 500 meters to a kilometer or so in a very metropolitan area, and it mostly depends on the environment you're in and as well as the transmission power of the target drone. Many of you may have seen similar devices of this in conflict drones such as in Ukraine or in the Middle East, where they have been proven to be valuable tools for increasing situational awareness and improving personal safety. So, who is the Hobit D3 Pro designed for? So first of all, it's definitely military personnel operating in a place where drone threats is imminent, security personnel that requires drone awareness and protection, and lastly, anyone needing a lightweight portable tool for short-range drone detection. So to summarize, the Hobit D3 Pro is a very affordable, compact, and easy to carry personal drone detector that helps with security and defense of personnel. It is designed for personal situational awareness rather than the protection of large assets or fixed installations, for which we also offer fixed and portable solutions as well. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about the D3 Pro or any of the products we have here, or you have any RFQs, please feel free to actually contact us in the email down below. And as always, thank you and fly safe.